Nearly a week has passed since authorities released an Alpharetta police officer's body cam video of his canine biting a man during an arrest. Today, the Alpharetta Department of Public Safety cleared all of the officers involved.
As Fox 5's Patty Pan tells us, the man's attorneys say this decision comes as no surprise, but argue the video shows their client is innocent.
After the release of the Alpharetta police officer's body cam video, Travis Moya's attorneys today are refuting chunks of the officer's report and say that the video proves that their client did nothing wrong and that the charges need to be dropped. We are not showing the dog biting scene because it is very graphic.
This was not only unnecessary, but it was savage, and the entire charge was a lie.
Standing with their client, Travis Moya, Chris Stewart, along with a number of other attorneys, argued their client was wrongfully arrested and wrongfully charged. They say the officers who were at the Moya's Alpharetta home on July 25th were out of line and used excessive force when they allowed a canine to bite the 36-year-old man, whom they say was already on the ground and compliant.
Please get this dog off of me! Please get this dog off of me! Ow! Please get this dog off of me! Mother, please get this dog off of me!
Officers responded to the home for a mental health crisis call following a 911 call from the stepson. Attorney Stewart argues the canine officer escalated the situation from the get-go.
How's it going, man? What? We're just here to make sure everything's okay. 461 stepping up. He's being disorderly.
The report goes on to say Mr. Moya appeared aggressive and confrontational and tried to run when officers tried to restrain him, and that's why the canine was used. But Stewart says that's absolutely not true.
He waited 3 seconds. No reasonable canine handler would act in this manner, especially when Mr. Moya had not been violent. He did not have a weapon. He was not being argumentative. He was calling them brother. And they let the dog loose in 3 seconds.
On Thursday, the Department of Public Safety released this statement, quote, after conducting a thorough review of the interaction, including all the audio and video recordings and officer statements, the Alpharetta Police Department determined that there was no violation of departmental policy or federal or state law regarding necessary use of force standards by peace officers, end quote. The attorneys are asking that the Department of Justice as well as the Fulton County District Attorney's Office now look into the case. As for the officers, they are asking that they be disciplined and held accountable. As for this case, Mr. Moya went in and filed a formal complaint on Wednesday. Reporting in Atlanta tonight, I'm Patty Pan, Fox 5 News.